What are your favorite PR channels? Like, what's working well at the moment?
It has to be a combination of things, right? So social media is so important. I think for me personally, even outlets like Instagram has helped me get really known and my business really known. So social media is important to keep up with, but getting into digital and print media is needed because that's credibility, right? You could talk about yourself all day on social media and random bloggers can too. But if the New York Times is telling everybody that you're the greatest or, you are shaping culture, then, people believe it because it's coming from a credible source. So I think it's a combination of things. It's social media, it's print and digital, it's speaking at conferences so people can really know you and get inspired by you, is really kind of having a plan that encompasses it all.
And how can someone manage those relationships with the media so they get more favorable attention?
Well, I think that's why you would hire people like my organization. But the truth is, before you're ready for PR, you have to build a track record. And, many people are not there yet. And so you have to work your way up to being a good candidate for being represented by a PR firm. And so you should focus on social media to enhance your numbers, go to these events like the conferences I'm talking about and be ready to network. A lot of times their moderators are journalists. So I think those are a good way to build your network on your own until you're ready to engage with a professional who frankly has spent years building relationships with some of these media outlets. And, then that would be the best way forward for you to finally be able to share your story.